Hi everybody, how are you guys all doing? I hope that you guys are all doing amazing today. My name is TracEy and you're watching me here at TracEy Monster on YouTube. You can also find me at TracEy Monster Savings on Etsy as well as on Instagram, where you'll find a ton of really super fun money savings challenges to help those of you who are looking to add to your sinking funds, or for those of you who are looking to pay off debt, or for those of you who are looking to save money for that next big purchase that you have coming up in your life. But before I get started in today's video, I always like to start my videos off by saying thank you to each one of you for taking the time to click on that play button and giving me the opportunity to share these types of videos with you. So thank you so much for being here today, and thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube community. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive on into today's video, because I have my cash in hand and I am ready to stuff my cash envelopes. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So the very first savings challenge that I'm going to be stuffing today is the Autumn Time Savings Scratch Off board game. And on Monday, I had landed here on $10. Second roll, I landed on this $10. And then on my third roll, I landed on this $10. So that tells me that I needed to save $30 for this week. So there is 20 and there is 30. So let me go ahead and color in my spots here. You know what? I wanted to use orange since we're in fall. I think I'm going to use orange this time. So give me just a moment to color these spaces in to show that I saved my 30 bucks for this week. So there's the first 10. Here is the second 10 right there. And then we have the third 10 right here. All right, so that is $30 saved. And I also have it here on my tracker right here. So I'm going to highlight this 30 as well, because this is where I kind of keep track of all of my savings on this savings challenge. And then I don't have a special pretty little envelope for this one. So what I'm just going to do is just use a regular envelope. And I am going to write in autumn, there we go. Autumn Time Savings. And let's see, I'll put a $sign there for at the end of the month. Okay, so $30 is going in here. I know, really super messy. I know. All right, so there's Autumn Time Savings Challenge. That's what I want to put. I want to at least put challenge on there. All right, and then this is going to be for November. Okay, perfect. All right, nothing pretty. It's nothing pretty, nothing spectacular today. All right, so Autumn Time Savings, and I have $30 saved with this savings challenge. The next savings challenge that I have here is the 52-week savings challenge, where I'm trying to save $1,378. And so because we are on week 45, I needed to save $45. So let me go ahead and color this in, and then I will count out my $45 to show that I have it successfully saved. And then I will also get my cash envelope binder out to put the cash in. So that is colored in with the 45. And so now we have 20, 40, and 5. And let's go ahead and get to week 45. Holy smokes, look at this, guys. This folder is so full. All right, so we are here on week 45. And we are putting our 45 deposit right there into my cash pocket. So I now have a balance of $1,035 inside of my cash binder. So that is really exciting, because I finally broke the $1,000 mark with this savings challenge alone. So pretty exciting. The next savings challenge that I have here is roll the dice. And on Monday I had rolled 2 ones, and so I needed to save $2. So go ahead and color that in. And here is my roll the dice savings envelope here. And there's my $2. Okay, so $2 saved with roll the dice. The next savings challenge I have here is Dominos, and this week I had picked a domino that had double sixes, and then the second domino that had an 8 and a 1. So that told me I needed to save $21. So there is 20 and there is 1. And then this is my cash envelope here. And that is the Dominoes challenge. I'm going to go ahead and color this in. I almost forgot. It's so exciting that we only have, well, after this week, we only have 7 weeks left to save. So, yay! Can't wait for this year to be finished. All right, next savings challenge that we have here is the 52 card pickup challenge. And on this one, we needed to save $3. So there's 1, 2, and 3 because we had picked, I believe it was a 3 of clubs. So now we have a total of $416 inside of this cash envelope. All right, so $3 saved for the 52 card pickup challenge for this week. The next savings challenge that we have here is Save-opoly, and I needed to save $16 this week. So there is 10, 15, and 16 with this challenge. So we now have a balance of $962 with the Save-opoly. So we saved, let's see, what was that? That was $16. $16 this week, but a total of $962 inside of the cash envelope. Okay, next savings challenge that we have here is Save the Change, and this week I saved $2.29. So here is my $2.29 here. Let me go ahead and bring over my cash, my counter change tray. All right, so I do know that I need to wrap my quarter rolls here. So I have my little Halloween themed. I know it's a week late, but I'm still going to use it since I had some in my inventory. Go ahead and put my nickels in. I'm going to hold off on the quarters until I get my rolls done, and then I'll come back and put these other ones in there. All right, there's that. Put the pennies away over here. All right, there we go with that. Okay, so now let me put this back just a bit and let me assemble my little coin wrapper here. And again, you can find these coin wrappers inside of my Etsy shop. The only ones that I have in there right now are Halloween themed with skulls. And then there's a different Halloween theme in there. So just letting you know that if you are into the Halloween theme, I do have them in there. I just haven't updated to like more of like current images. I've been so busy with other challenges and stuff that I haven't had the chance to actually make the coin rolls. Okay, so let's go ahead and make sure that there's 5 in each one of these. Yes, there is. All right, perfect. So that is going to be $10 being rolled here. So basically what you do is just throw your, well, not throw, but you place your quarters inside, make sure that they're lying flat inside of the roll. So give me just a moment to do that. It doesn't seem like there would be $10 worth of coins rolled inside of here, but there is. All right, and then you just go ahead and fold those ends in, just like that. And there I go. $10 saved with the quarter, the quarter roll here. All right, and then we have an extra $1 ready to go for the next round. All right, so there we go. $2.29 was saved this week, and we were very fortunate to be able to get some quarters rolled. So that is pretty exciting as well. All right, let me go ahead and color in this image here to show that I saved that much money for this week, $2.29. Let's see, I need a light pink, which is this one. And then the dollar bills here. All right, there we go. So we have $2.29 saved with Save the Change. Okay, the next savings challenge that we have here is Zero Out, and we have $5.69 being transferred from our checking account and going over into our savings account. So that will take place, I don't know if it took place last night. I think I scheduled it for actually Thursday at midnight. So it took effect already. So I don't think I scheduled it because today, I remember today being a holiday. So I think I scheduled it a day early. Anyways, so $5.69 is being transferred from my checking account and it's going into my savings account. Now, okay, where is my tracker? Here's my tracker. All right, so what I'm going to do is, before I get started on that, I did want to do a quick little shout out to my newest savings challenge that you can find in my Etsy shop. If you are looking to save money in the month of December, if you have not seen this challenge yet, it is going to be a really super fun one. I am making a total of 10, and I think... well, I've already made a total of 10 and I only have 4 left in my Etsy shop, guys. So if you are into the Advent type of savings and you want to save $300 in the month of December, starting on December 1st, you are going to want to head over to my Etsy shop and pick this challenge up. So this is the 24 days countdown to Christmas savings challenge, where you'll be saving $300 on the back of this card here. It also says, have the happiest of holidays. And it is a mini cash envelope. So then you can put some cash in there. But this is the actual savings challenge here. So this is your tracker where you're going to track all of your savings. So each one of these numbers represents the mini cash envelopes that are in the challenge itself. So let's say, for instance, this is mini cash envelope number 1. So on December 1st, what you're going to do is you're going to fold your $1 in half and you're going to insert your $1 into your mini cash envelope. Once you have your $1 filled inside of your $1 cash envelope, then you will come here and you will use your marker to highlight or to color in the number 1 on your actual tracker. Now, at the end of December, when you're done with this challenge and you want to use this challenge again, that's the beauty of this challenge, that you can use it over and over every year. But once this is all marked up, the best way to clear it off is either using like a hand sanitizer, or you can use some kind of like alcohol or something like that to clear it off for the next year to use again. So anyways, so once you have your $1 filled and your tracker colored in, then on December 2nd, then you will then put your $2 into your into your number 2 envelope, and then your $3 into your $3 envelope. At the end of December, on December 24th, which is Christmas Eve, you will put your $24 into your 24 envelope, and that will, with all of the envelopes filled up, you will have a total of $300 saved. So I apologize about the dog barking in the background. There must be somebody walking by, and the door to my room is open, so you may have heard him barking. So anyways, like I said, I only have 4 left in my Etsy shop. So if you are interested in this savings challenge, you will definitely want to go claim yours as soon as possible, because I don't see these lasting another week. I think that these will actually sell out. And so I will not be making more once these sell out. Okay, so putting that to the side, let's go ahead now and get the trackers. So this is my weekly breakdown totals tracker, where these help me to break down how much I need to save and budget from each one of the paychecks. So since we were in week 1 of November, these are the different amounts that I saved for this week. When I added all of those amounts up, this tracker told me that I needed to save and budget $124.98, which I did, and I was able to stuff that amount inside of my cash envelopes. Now that I have that money saved and put into the cash envelopes, I get that amount there and I transfer or carry that amount over to the savings tracker. And then I put that amount here into week number 1. And once I have all 4 weeks added in, or complete, I should say, with the cash in the cash envelopes, I will then at the end of November come back and add all of those amounts up, and that will give me my grand total of how much I've saved for the entire month of November. Once I have the amount of how much I saved for the entire month of November, I will get that total, and I will carry that total over here to this savings tracker. And this savings tracker right here where it says November, that's where I will add in that amount to indicate how much I saved for November. Once I get December completely done, which is just right around the corner, the light is at the end of the tunnel. I can see it. Now it's just a matter of getting there. So once I finish December, at the very end of December, I will come back and I will add all of those amounts up from every single month that I've participated in these savings challenges. And that will give me my grand total of how much I saved for the entire year of 2022. So that is pretty exciting. It looks like we are on a roll here. So far I have, let's see, 48, 12, 58, and then let's see, adding that much for October. So far, I have $5,860.28 saved as of the end of October. So that is really super exciting. I was hoping that I could make it to $6,000, and it looks like I am well on my way to achieving that goal. So yay, yay, and double yay. All right, so with that being said, that is it for the day. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching all the way to the end. I hope that you like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the content on this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. That way, whenever a new video goes up on this channel, then you'll be given a notification. If you like any of these savings challenges that I have participated in today, or in the 24 days countdown to Christmas savings challenge, then definitely check out my Etsy shop at TracEy Monster Savings, and you will see over 200 listings to choose from that I'm sure that you'll be able to find at least one savings challenge to help you along on your way with your savings journey, especially with the new year coming up and everybody kind of getting their savings challenges all in order. Now is the time to do that. Anyways, these are all the savings challenges that I've done today. Thank you so much for watching, like I said, all the way to the end. I hope that you guys have an amazing weekend ahead, and stay safe out there, guys. And until next time, on Monday, I will come back with week number 2 for to figure out how much I need to save and budget for week 2 of November. So thanks, guys. Have a good one. Be safe. Bye-bye.